Kelly Barlow Creations. Today I am back in the kitchen with Kathleen, where she is teaching me everything that there is to know about being in the kitchen. What do we have going on for today?
We're going to be making an impossible pumpkin pie. My favorite.
Wait a minute. Impossible does not sound easy to do, Kathleen.
It's super easy.
Is that an oxymoron or what?
No, it is, because the pie makes its own crust. So you don't need to have to worry about making or fooling around with a crust. I love it because it's all scrumptious pumpkin pie and none of that heavy crust.
The thick, heavy crust.
Yeah.
Oh, I cannot wait to try this. I can't wait to see how easy this is or how impossible this is. So let's get into it and let's show them how easy this pumpkin pie recipe is.
Let's go. You're going to need 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, 1 cup of canned pumpkin, and you want just the pumpkin. You don't want pumpkin pie mix. 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and I just do a little sprinkling of nutmeg because I love nutmeg. If you don't like it, don't put it in. It's really not called for. 1/2 cup of Bisquick, or you could use a plain wrap version of this is absolutely fine. We've got our 1 cup of evaporated milk, and there's a little left in the can. Don't throw that away. Use it in your coffee. It makes a great creamer. We're going to add our 1 cup of pumpkin. Now you're going to have pumpkin left over from using your 1 cup in here. Don't let it go to waste. Put it in a Ziploc baggie, take all the air out, and freeze it. Next time you make cookies or you make a quick bread, you have pumpkin that you can use in the recipe. 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 eggs. We're going to add our tablespoon of butter, softened butter. We're going to add our 1 1/2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice mix. We're going to add our teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to give our wet ingredients a quick stir before adding the Bisquick. And now we're going to add our 1/2 cup of Bisquick. I'm going to finish up mixing this with a whisk just to kind of help incorporate the little bits of Bisquick into the liquid. You can also use a handheld mixer to mix it up if you'd like. I just sometimes don't want to have to clean the beater, so it just depends, all right? I'm going to do a quick spray. And that's it. That's how easy it is. And it goes together. 10 minutes you can have this in the oven. We're going to put our impossible pumpkin pie into the oven now. It's at 350 for our 35 to 40 minutes. And once again, since it's a custard-like item, you're going to insert a knife, and if it comes out clean, it's done. We're going to check on our pumpkin pie now. I think it's done to perfection. Let's take a look. It's clean, it's done. We're just gonna let it cool off a bit before we cut it. Normally, you could put it into the refrigerator and serve it the next day. A lot of people like cold pumpkin pie rather than room temperature pie. But unfortunately, you can't eat hot pumpkin pie. We gotta let it cool off.
Make sure to stay tuned for one of our family favorites, Kathleen's corn souffle. This is one you're not going to want to miss. Today's shout outs going out to Pam Young, Cheryl McCall, Teresa Doyle, Sandra Keith, Renee Amerson, and Vicki Schneider.
Yeah, I don't even have words right now. This looks amazing. I love that there's no pie crust on this.
It makes its own crust and it's all filling. And that's what I love because that's the best part.
Yeah, that is the heavenly part of a pumpkin pie. With this white stuff here on top. Yum. I think we should just try this.
Yep, let's go for it.
I'll tell you, Allie already had a piece and she inhaled it in like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I did. I told you.
You did.
Are you kidding me?
I know.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh my goodness.
It's the best.
And I like it warm. This is still warm, and that's how I like my pumpkin pie, is warm. I don't like it hot. I'll eat it cold, but I like it warm. Wowzers. Kathleen, amazing.
Good, I'm glad.
Wow.
You did it again.
Yeah.
You hear that? That little one over there just loves Grandma's cooking.
I love you, Allie.
I love you too.
Well, everybody, that's all we have for you for today for this amazing pumpkin pie recipe of Kathleen's. Yet again, another amazing dish, dessert. She leaves me speechless every time.
You leave me speechless.
Oh,
with
goodness.
all you do, and
She's a genius in the kitchen, and I'm okay at DIYing.
no, you're excellent. You're the superstar.
Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 2,000 likes because those thumbs up really do help this series to get noticed and grow a bit more by YouTube. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy cooking in your kitchen. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Love you, sweetie.
Love you too. Bye for now, everybody.
Bye-bye.